Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, October 14th, 2001, 8:30 a.m. This is the message by the Envoy. My dear sister, you should know that distances do not matter. The bonds of the heart are powerful. They defy space and time. They are subtle and indefectible. We make a great family of souls which remains and comes back regularly here below. We are bound to this world. Its becoming is close to our hearts. We all work with our respective means to help it in its rise. Humanly speaking, we have roots here. By scattering here, we have contributed to the expansion of the race. This bond encourages us to make all sacrifices, to see to it to help man grow and follow the right path. The beings that influence humanity left behind them not only disciples but also children. You see how we are involved in this process of regeneration of the race, which is highly essential today. Mankind did not follow exactly the path that was also all mapped out for it. It is therefore necessary to remedy this. There are various suitable means, and for us here, time does not matter. All will be fixed at the proper time, like the movement of a clock following its pace unrelentingly. Therefore, let us do our work as best we can. As for the remainder, God will provide for it. The Envoy. Same day at 10 a.m. Message from the Envoy. Did I not already tell you that who am I does not matter? Anybody's history is long and prolific. What good would it do us going back in time and getting lost in the maze of our multiple incarnations? Such is not our objective. Let us go beyond this legitimate curiosity that would make us ride the wings of time backwards and think of other lives that left traces, but which do not serve our purpose today. We fell down, we stood up, more than once. Although we had ourselves gone past this stage, we understand men and their ceaseless fight against tendencies that make them stumble. Who among us did not experience all that? The goodwill of your fellow creatures moves us and urges us to perpetually help them. The time of sublime glory will come. We are all of us working towards it, and you are, each one of you, doing your level best. Let us remain enthusiastic about the becoming of humanity, which one day will stop fighting against itself and will open its eyes to the realities of a system that can only lead it to its ruin. Love will end up prevailing. This will take a lot of time, but its power is such that it can overcome anything. It is the great hope of all of us. Let us unite and appeal to it with all our heart. The Envoy.